Here I have Samsung Galaxy S4, and today I'm going to show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So firstly, you have to open settings, then you have to go to the My Device section, then go to the Display, Wallpaper, then you have to select if you want to set it on home screen, on lock screen, or on both screens. Then you have to select wallpaper. You can select one of these pre-installed ones, or you can just pick one from the gallery, as I am going to do. Tap save, and as you can see, wallpaper changed. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.